The Zury 6/9 French curl braid is new in stock, so let's go ahead and unbox it today. So this is a 40-inch braid that actually has a finished length of 20 inches. It can also be used for crochet. It is a one-pack finish, so it comes with 6 bundles. Each of these bundles is actually a double, so it's similar to the free trust French curl braid. Each bundle is 2 bundles in one, so you get a total of 12 bundles. So if you use the free trust French curl braid, this is equivalent to 2 packs of the free trust French curl braid. Let me know if you've used this braid before and what you think of it. And if you're looking for French curl braids, we have a wide selection including the Boss French curl and the free trust French curl braid.